in Schuylkill County can I find out a lot about eggs? Welcome to Michael Foods.
Hello, I'm Randy BARNHART at Michael Foods. I'm the production supervisor. Welcome to Michael Foods, and we're going to be going on a tour through our facility.
Michael Foods is the largest processor of value-added eggs in the United States, with a plant located in western Schuylkill County. In all, there are 20 plant locations spread all through the United States.
Here at Michael Foods, my job is a cook mixer, and my job is to take liquid egg product and mix it together with ingredients and send them over into tanks, and from the tanks they get sent over to ovens, and from the ovens they turn into egg patties that you guys buy from your stores and love to eat.
For over 100 years, the Michael Foods family of businesses have leveraged quality ingredients and innovative processes to offer the finest products and solutions to customers and to food-loving consumers. The Michael's mission is to provide fresh, delicious, and convenient food solutions that generate exceptional experiences for their customers and consumers while delivering profitable, sustainable growth for their company.
So behind me, we see line one. We're running a egg cheese omelet. They start up on the 4th floor. They work their way down here to where we're packaging the boxes. They basically push the eggs into a box, package them, and then we ship it down the conveyor to distribution.
Each day brings excitement and personal challenge to many of the employees at Michael Foods.
Well, every day's different. There's always something new happening and nothing's ever the same.
I'm Julissa from North Schuylkill Junior Senior High School, and this is what's so cool about manufacturing.